There's the slopes, but there's no snow. The snow is gone.
Thank God.
There's the ski lifts and all that crap. Where's that little part where they have the little cars? Oh, there's the other slopes over that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they have this little track up here you can get that comes down the side of the mountain that has these little cars you can go on. I think this side over here is for the tobogganing.
Isn't that where they slide down?
Yeah, with the sleds and stuff. And
Uh,
I think the skiing part is over here.
right.
Yeah,
Because we sit in the dining room and we
Right.
watch the skiers.
right. Exactly.
Oh, it's beautiful up here.
Well, it's about 10 degrees cooler up here than it is in Pittsburgh.
It's so gorgeous.
It's 70 here. When we left the house, it was 80. So,
Oh, so much nicer. Right, Easter, if you didn't want to eat in the dining room.
right. It's kind of windy up here.
Remote.
There's the hotel over there. Don't be singing.
Oh, I didn't know.
Look at Kimmy, dressed up in her nice
Oh my God.
boyfriend jeans and
Oh,
her little blazer.
oh my God.
Don't fall in there.
No, don't.
I don't want to fall in there. There's kind of way more people up here today than I thought there was going to be. You know what I mean? I don't know where they're all at because I've only seen those couple of people. But there's a bazillion cars up here, but I don't see any people. They're ghosts.
There's a lot of people working.
Yeah, but they probably have to park in a certain area. You know, they probably don't get to. They probably don't get to park in the customer parking. There's where the liquor is over there. Huh?
I guess. I love your birds laugh. Oh my gosh, I love that.
There's that little track. There's that track over there. You ride all the way up the thing there. And you get in this little car and you ride it all the way down the mountain. It seems like it would be a little hairy to me. Well, that's some good soup there.
Oh yeah. Their soup is always good.
Delicious.
It is.
These old ass rocks. This shit's ever gonna cave in. See you later. See you later, roof. Gimme.
But winters up here, it's,
Right.
you know,
It takes its toll on all this crap.
they get a lot more snow.
Right. There's the spa.
I would like to go to the spa.
Would you?
I didn't
I don't think there's any exit down here. Down this way? I don't think there's.
No, you end up walking through, we came this way before, I forget. Remember, we were looking at these down here, and you had said about how much work we needed.
Right. Oh yeah, this place needs a ton of TLC, believe me. Well, I mean, spring just got here, so all the mud and all that crap needs to be removed, and looks like they're doing okay. They're gonna put new storm drains in or something, because you can see all these posts and all this marking going on. So they're gonna be doing something. This was a fountain back here. Yeah, they got that drained out, or they just haven't refilled it yet.
I remember Rhonda telling me that.
This is like the main lobby of the resort. This is when you come in. Me either. This is where you come in, I guess, to get the room and all that crap. Yeah, because there's the desk down there. See it? Yeah, see, this is where people come in to get their room. Oh, there's the front desk over there. But that's a little gift shop or something where we buy little scrap. See the shop?
Yeah, because I bought my keychain up here at some kind of
I don't even know how you get down here. I think you take the elevator.
like some kind of artisan store.
Right.
Up here, I bought that keychain.
Yep, you have to take the elevator to get down.
Yeah. Oh, look, Joe.
That entryway where we drove up. Remember we drove up?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, here's the women's room. Let me look in here.
And we'll just walk up to the...
That killed me last time we walked up.
Looks like the pool's open.
Is it?
Looks like it is. I see a bunch of people up here laying out.
Oh, yeah. Let's go swimming.
Let's not. I'd rather snuggle. Oh, all the kitties. All the kitties having fun. They're all gonna be YouTube stars. And there's these shit ponds, or whatever they call it, to clean your feet. I bet you that pool's heated.
Probably.
Yep. I didn't even know this stuff was here. I think this used to be a bowling alley down here. There's the indoor pool.